Insurance companies calculate amounts payable to policyholders for loss in several ways, though most payments are based on ACV or RCV. First, let's start with some definitions. Actual cash value, also known as ACV, is the amount equal to the replacement cost when subtracting depreciation of damaged property at the time of loss incurred. Replacement cost value, also known as RCV, is the amount equal to the replacement of damaged property at the time of the loss. RCV is typically defined with the insured's policy. So what's the difference between ACV and RCV? ACV and RCV are based on the current cost to replace the damaged property with the new property. The only difference between ACV and RCV is the deduction for depreciation. Which payment method do you believe is most common, ACV or RCV? Comment below. And while you're at it, check out our other videos on all things subrogation and litigation here at Keys George.